मेहनत करो, नाम जपो, वन छको. And IPCC, the Intellectual Punjabi Chamber of Commerce, abides by the principles and values of our Sikh Gurus. On the occasion of its 6th Foundation Day, IPCC proudly presents the Punjabi Ratna Awards 2026. And we are honored to have such eminent dignitaries and inspiring personalities with us today. So can we have a huge round of applause for ourselves for making it till here and adding so much grace to this event. Today we have the most hardworking, honest, spirited and determined personalities here, but learning a lot of things together. So let's start the event. So let's start this event with Mool Mantar. Can we have Mr. Vicky ji on the stage? Please cover your heads, everybody. Can I also have one handkerchief? One handkerchief, please. Please cover your heads. Veer Singh ji, President of IPCC. We have Mr. Ratan Singh Sehgal, Senior Vice President of IPCC. Can we have the clappings? We have to make them feel enthusiastic about what they have done and the thoughts they have put into this event. Can we have Mr. Pritvinder Singh Bohra, the General Secretary of IPCC? Pritvinder Singh Bohra. Can we have Mr. Jaspal Singh Johar, the Vice President of Gurgaon Chapter IPCC? Can we have Dr. Mandeep Singh ji? Mr. Kanwarveer Singh ji? Then we have Jaspal Singh Johar, Vice President of Gurgaon Chapter IPCC. Mrs. Ruby Bindra, Chairperson, Noida NCR IPCC. Then we have Mr. Mandeep Singh ji, President of IPCC Dehradun Chapter. They could facilitate our chief guests and guests of honor. Can we have our chief guest on the stage, Shri Rajiv Shukla, the Member of Parliament, Rajya Sabha, Vice President of BCCI. It's an immense pleasure to have you, sir. It says discipline is actually choosing between what you want and what you want the most. And we have that eminent personality standing on the stage who literally chose success and was never afraid of failures. And that is something we could always learn from him. So thank you so much, sir, for gracing our event. Please give a huge round of applause. We have Mr. Gurdeep Singh, the permanent invitee of Congress Working Committee and former CEO of Rajya Sabha TV. Can we have Mr. Gurdeep Singh ji on the stage, please? Our future is actually shaped by the habits we repeat and not just by the goals we set. And here we have who has proved this quote rightfully. He has practiced every day to achieve success. Mr. Francisco Compra, the Ambassador of Dominican Republic. It's our pleasure to have you here, sir. Thank you for gracing this event. We have Mr. Francisco Compre, Ambassador of Dominican Republic on the stage. It is said, start messy, start scared, start tired, start broke, but just start. And today, if we have any seed in our head, which we wanted to execute from a long period of time, today is the day to make that seed grow. Next, we have Mr. Paul Prosy, the Country Director of the World Bank. Can we have Mr. Paul Prosy on the stage, please? It is being said, the fear is what if, and the faith is even if. So when we have faith on ourselves and faith on the supreme power, success becomes easy peasy. Thank you so much for gracing our event, sir. It is an immense pride to have such intelligent and optimistic personalities who have achieved success in various dynamic fields on the stage. Now we have the felicitation of awardees. Are you ready? I think I would need you in this segment. Do you know why? Do you know why? Why I would need you more in this segment? Because every time somebody steps up, you know the mantra, what do you have to do? Karke dikha do. You're waiting, I'll say that. You have to clap and clap very enthusiastically. Alright? The first we have is Miss Rubal Nagi, social worker, educator, artist, author and founder of Rubal Nagi Art Foundation. Wow, that is called a dynamic personality. Miss Rubal Nagi has transformed broken and grey slums into colorful educational miracles, worked towards women empowerment, and also has achieved prestigious $1 million global prize by the Crown Prince of Dubai. She continues to inspire us and the world by her amazing contribution in the sector of education. Well, that's not it. Even government of Dubai is super proud of her. So I think we all as Indians, as citizens, are super duper proud of her for making our country proud even in Dubai. She has landed her mark not just in country but even abroad. Thank you so much, ma'am, and I feel we are going to truly read the book Slum Queen, and that is a true title given to you. Can you give a huge round of applause for ma'am? Next we have Mr. Arshinder Singh Chawla, the DGP. Okay. We have Mr. Jasbir Jassi, who is a Bollywood singer and has released more than 13 albums. His first pop was Dil Le Gaye, which was released in 1998 and which was a banger. And he's also released songs like Hoka, Longa Lashkara, Zindagi Sheer, Kudi Gujarati. And I would also like to congratulate him for completing 25 plus years in this industry. And that's what success looks like. That's what determination, dedication, and not getting affected by failures look like. Can we have a huge round of applause? It is an immense pride for having a personality related to Bollywood. Mr. Jasbir Jassi. Can you please come on the stage, Mr. Jasbir Jassi? Hindu and Telugu films. He made his debut with films like Sampangi. He also transitioned to Hindi films like Wo Tera Naam Tha, and he's also a renowned Bollywood actor known for his outstanding work and also been a part of the fashion film. Can we have Mr. Arjun Bajwaji? Pain of discipline is always less than the price of regret. And he has achieved all the dreams he once dreamt in his childhood. It's an immense honor to have you, sir. कहते हैं नतीजियां दा कद सदा मेहनत दी खुराक पैदा करता है. And he standing on the stage among us is an immense honor for IPCC, a compassionate, adorable and a very popular hardworking personality, abiding by his values and principles. Let's hear a few words of wisdom and take away those words of wisdom today. Also the first Indian and Sikh to win International Power Slap Championship. He did his debut in Abu Dhabi on October 24, 2025 and he defeated the Russian opponent. Can we have Mr. Jujhar Singh Dhillon, also known as Tiger, on the stage, please? Can you a huge round of applause? Can you imagine how much power he has? That's the power of a true Sikh. एक समय था जब सिख जंग पे जाके अपनी पावर दिखाया करते थे. I think he has done a very similar kind of work. And I think we should give him another huge round of applause. because it's always you versus you. If you're having any championship, doesn't matter. It's not you versus the opponent, it's you versus you. And we would be very glad to listen a few words of wisdom of how he became a part of the championship and won that. Kirtans all over the world. The melodious voice helps people connect to the spiritual realm and to God. Can we have Bhai Kulvinder Singh Ji on the stage, please? Can we have Bhai Kulvinder Singh Ji on the stage? Can we have huge round of applause? It's not easy to connect humans to God, to the power of God, to the melodious voices. And he has been doing it from a lot of years all over the world. Not just making Indians proud, but even making India proud in the abroad. Guru Ji ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji ki Fateh. Next we have Miss Pavleen Gujral. She's an actress and anchor and a very dynamic personality. She has done various roles in Angry Indian Goddess and also has been a part of Madam in TV series Made in Heaven. Can we have Miss Pavleen Gujral, actress and anchor on the stage, please? And I feel because we are having so much wisdom, I think we should even clap more enthusiastically. Do you also think the same? It's been rightly said, your next move matters more than your last mistake. And every mistake in your life is a learning and turning point. And abiding by that value, she has been a very dynamic personality in various fields, showing her creativity through acting and her speaking skills through anchoring on the stage. Camera and stage are her first home. Thank you so much, ma'am. Can you have a huge round of applause for her? And another +1 huge round of applause. While she was speaking gracefully, I could see her mum clicking videos for her. That is so nice. I think every child deserves a supporting mother like that. So I think we should even clap harder for her mother because she deserves that. Auntie, my mom is doing the same there. So all moms are same. Every mom is same. So thank you so much. His films and books are not just words. They're not just words, they're something which can inspire the youth and the world. Can we have Mr. Amardeep Singh Ji on the stage, please? Let's give a huge round of applause. Films are not just cinema. Films are not just what we see, but they are the stories which actually inspires people and shape people's mind. And here we have Mr. Amardeep Singh Ji, who is a very famous and popular filmmaker who uses words and visuals, project them into a book and on the screen and helps people change their lives. So we would be glad if you could just pour some words of your experience into us. And I feel he should speak about his journey from his own mouth. Because being an 8-year-old technologist, while I was even reading it, I was like, oh, maybe it is 18, maybe it is 28, maybe it is 38, but it was just at 8. So I think we should give a huge round of applause for this chota packet bada dhamaka in very true senses. Can we have Anhad, Rajveer and Samaira on the stage as well? Anhad, Rajveer and Samaira. Do we have Ranveer's parents here? Mother and father? Oh. Let's give a huge round of applause. Chooti chota packet bada dhamaka, and they have really proven today that age is just a number. I think you also have proud parents of their small little children. Okay, you also have grandparents. Okay, wow. Would you like to speak a few words? So tell us about your journey.
Thank you so much, Intellectual Punjabi, the Chamber of Commerce, for honoring me with this award. I'm truly humbled. First, I would like to thank Vaiguruji for blessing me abundantly. Then I would like to thank my parents and grandparents for supporting me along the way, and to all the people who have been guiding me. And then last but definitely not the least, I want to say thank you to all the people who have been showering me with love and blessings since this started.
I have a question. I'm so sorry I'm taking another 1 minute. I know you're thankful to a lot of people, even people sitting behind you who are such great personalities, but you want to know your journey in 1 minute. How did you turn into a technologist?
So I think when I was very young, I got interested.
You are already very young.
When I was
Just
all-
8.
When I was even younger, like around the age of 3 or 4, I got really interested in coding. So then I slowly progressed, and then I showed my coding to Apple CEO Tim Cook at age of 5, and then from there, then I got interested into this realm of AI, and then I got interested in public speaking, and then it just shaped my journey for going to AI for Good at the Global Summit in age 7, and now the India AI Impact Summit at age 8.
Do you think he is 8 years old? Do you think that? A yes or a no? They're just two answers. Okay, people are saying this. No?
No!
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 Are you proud of yourself? Yes, I am very.
Oh, yeah, great.
Thank you so much. Also, thank you to your parents and your entire family. Part of the IPCC family, I think you should join this family ASAP. Because this family would shower love more than your original family. So then you would have complaints from your original one. We have some more awardees and guest of honors. We have Mr. Hardeep Singh Gill, who is the Vice Chairman of NCSK. Can we have Mr. Hardeep Singh Gill? Can we have a huge round of applause? Or are we still stuck in that 8-year-old achievement? Then next we would have Dr. Sanjeev Bansal, who is a Pro Vice Chancellor of Amity University. We have Mr. Hardeep Singh Gill, the Vice Chairman of NCSK, and then we have Mr. Sanjeev Bansal ji, who is the Pro Vice Chancellor of Amity University. Thank you so much, sir. We have Mr. Sanjeev Bansal, the Pro Vice Chancellor of Amity University, and then we have Dr. Harvansh Chawla, the Chairman of BRICS CCI. I can see from the stage he's one of the most enthusiastic. Let's make the most of it, and let's make Ms. Shilpa Arora, Sardar Harmeet Singh, Mrs. Shikha Jain, Miss Neeti, Miss Shilpa Arora. Next we have Miss Shikha Jain, Mrs. Shikha Jain, Miss Neeti Sari, Miss Danturi Aruna, Miss Jenisha Basnet, Mr. Bhavnish Gupta, Miss Rimpa Chaudhary, the founder of Sky Studio, and Miss Kavita Chawla, makeup artist, event organizer and influencer. Let's give a huge round of applause for all of them. So thank you all for being a part of this wonderful and inspiring evening. We would like to invite you to join us for a group photograph on the stage. Everybody hop on the stage as soon as possible, and then we'll leave for high tea, which will be from 5:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. We'll again collect in the same room at 6:30 p.m. Do lots of networking, connect with people, drink your favorite tea or coffee, and also don't forget to follow Intellectual Punjabi Chamber of Commerce on Instagram, Facebook and LinkedIn, and be a part of it, be a part of the family by being a part of the membership of IPCC. Thank you so much. Signing off.